Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to get X Premium features. So this without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So as we discuss about how you can get X Premium features, you can simply go to your X. So once you're in your X account, the X Premium is a subscription service for X that provides a blue check mark, edit posts, longer videos, and improve visibility, which is available via the side navigation menu on x.com or mobile profile app. So you can simply go and tap on the premium section, and there you can find like different packages like basic, premium, and premium plus. So as per your liking, you can select any of the package that suits your budget. The basic version starts from $2. The premium version starts from $5, whereas the premium plus version starts from $29. So this is how you can simply get the X Premium features. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.